Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ella here as always. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how I managed to come up with this makeup look without using any concealer. Yeah, you heard me right, sis. I didn't have to use any concealer on this makeup. Yeah. So without talking much, let's jump right into this video. Look at me looking like what I don't even know here. So you guys, I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera just to save the time. So here I'm just blending in the foundation I used to clean my brows down to my lid just to set as an eyeshadow primer. So taking my Juvia's Place palette, I'm going to go in first with this first color. This is more of an everyday makeup look, so I'm making sure to work with something really decent here, guys. So now the second shade I'm going to be taking from this palette is this yellow color. So now for my lid, I'm taking this pinky shade right here. So I'm just going to pack that onto my lid. I'm not taking too much. So moving on to this Revolution eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking this brownish shade right here just to blend out my outer corner. Now I'm going to line my eye using this Primark liquid eyeliner. Now it's time to apply lashes. I got my lashes from AliExpress, you guys. To blend my lashes, I'm using the Kiko Free Soul Mascara. So now moving down to the face, I'm using this Prep and Perfect priming water to prime my face. So for the foundation, I'm using the Revolution Concealer and Define Foundation in e.l.f. 12.5. Like you guys, this foundation is way lighter than my skin tone, and yeah, let's just assume we're using this as a concealer. So you guys, I actually told you guys I want to show you how to use a foundation that is way lighter than your skin tone. So here is what I normally do. After which I'm taking this my fast base stick foundation in the shade F16 from Revolution. Actually, I'm just going to apply this on my contour areas. This is actually darker than my skin tone. Looking at it on the monitor right now, it feels like it suits my skin, but it's actually darker, you guys. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the darker shade first. I'm still gonna use the same foundation brush to blend in this my other foundation just to make things a lot more easier. Then I'm taking this my beauty sponge to blend out my other eyes. So at this point, this is how my face is all looking like. I still went ahead and applied some foundation in my other eye just to make sure my other eye is well covered. And yeah, I'm taking my beauty sponge to blend those in. So now to set my face, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Y'all know this is my favorite. To bronze my face, I'm using this Mesauda bronzer to do that. So to take off this excess powder, I'm using this EllaLoves Pro Face Powder in the shade Chestnut. So now to blush my face, I'm taking this blush and highlight palette from Revolution Beauty. To set my face, I'm using this Mario Badescu facial spray. So now taking this my highlighter palette from Revolution, I'm just going to take this shade to highlight my face. Moving down to the lips, I'm taking this my lip pencil from Kiko to line my lips. Taking this my 2 nude lip gloss from Revolution, I'm going in first with the lip amplification. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and top it up with this other lip gloss, and yeah, we are done. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment on what you want to see next. And yeah, before I forgot, I have a tutorial on this hairstyle on my channel, so be sure to check it out. Until next time, I'll see you all. Always stay beautiful and bye for now.